Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in NASDAQ account on PC. NASDAQ is American stock exchange known for being a high-tech stock market. To log into NASDAQ account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.nasdaq.com, then press on enter. With this, here you'll be taken to official website of NASDAQ. Now here you can see small profile icon on top right corner. Click on the small profile icon. With this, here you'll be taken to the login page. Now here you can see you can log in using your LinkedIn account by clicking on login with LinkedIn. Similarly, you can click on login with Google to log in from your Google account, or you can click on login with Facebook so that you can log in through your Facebook account. Now I am going to log in using my email. So first enter your email address that you have used to register your NASDAQ account. With this, enter the correct password of your NASDAQ account on the given box. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. With that, if you don't have an account, then click on Sign Up option. After entering all your credentials, click on Log In. With this, now here you'll be logged into your NASDAQ account. As you can see here, my NASDAQ account has been logged in. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.